Let us all take in a very deep breath. And as we exhale, feel our entire bodies relax. As you continue to breathe, allow your feet to be flat on the floor. And just allow the seat to support you. Take in another deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes if you're comfortable with that. Right where you are, you are in the presence of pure spirit. Breathe it in. Exhale it out. And know that that presence is in you, around you, and supporting and loving you right now. And with that awareness, we allow ourselves to just rest in the silence. And as we return our attention to this place and this time, we feel refreshed and we give thanks for that perfect connection to the One Presence. And we simply say, thank you, sweet Spirit. Amen and amen.